Bullish smooth love mixture, SLP. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.008549 and $0.016148 by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach $0.006649 by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.00152. Smooth love elixir, SLP, acquaintance when it accompanies play to procure games. Axie limitlessness gets everyone's attention. As the primary NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. X9000 sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago, alongside the NFT blast. Axie boundlessness was the previous summer's star convention, cresting it close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients. DAO. Axie Boundlessness is a NFT-upheld play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, smooth love mixtures, SLPs, and Axie endlessness shards, axes. Fundamentally, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axes is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities, and depository subsidizes spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie vastness's biological system. What's more, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of X9000. What is Axie endlessness? Axie vastness support the play-to-acquire interactivity model, wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it, or use it for ongoing interaction. This isolates Axie vastness from the vast majority of the present customary closed-circle games, where computerized things must be utilized in-game. X9000 likewise decreased the day-to-day furthest reaches of SLP procured in PvE from 100 to 50. Preceding this change, players procured a sum of 75 SLP each day by playing experience mode, 50 SLP, and by clearing the day-to-day journeys, 25 SLP. Notwithstanding, SLP prizes in PvP currently increment at a quicker rate as you climb the competitor list. For the unenlightened, the Ronin scaffold is a piece of the Ronin blockchain network, so it exists close by administrations like the Katana Decentralized Trade, the Axie Limitlessness Commercial Center, and the Axes Marking Pool. Its essential capability is to permit the exchange of resources from the Ronin world to the Ethereum world. Preferably, without it, you wouldn't have the option to move your SLP income from the universe of Ronin to the universe of Ethereum. So it's great that before the Ronin extension, we were at that point involving unified trades like Binance as a semi-scaffold to the rest of the world. When you got your SLP income moved over to Binance, you could do a wide range of things with it, including changing over them into pesos. It was a particularly well-known technique. As a matter of fact, that most of Axie players actually utilize that system right up to the present day, using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD. From the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for smooth love elixir, SLP. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Smooth love mixture is at present worth $0.0019 United States dollars. SLP has moved 15.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $23,212,353. Smooth love mixture is as of now position 275 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $79,572,882 United States dollars. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous smooth love elixir, SLP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2023. Smooth love mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, SLP. The SLP cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.00285. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.00266 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.00228. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024, Smooth Love Mixture SLP Cost Forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.004749. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the SLP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.0038 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.004179. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2025, on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.006649, and SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.006079 and a low of $0.005699 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Smooth Love Elixir effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.008549 with a base cost of $0.007599 and a typical cost of $0.007979. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.009879 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.009499 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a most extreme value worth of $0.010449. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.011779. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.012348. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.011399.